Welcome. If you've been missing notifications from accounts with default profile photos on the X app, or if you want to start seeing those updates again, this quick guide will show you how to unmute them using the latest settings. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're in, tap your profile icon. It's usually in the top corner of the screen. This will open a menu where you'll find Settings and Privacy. Tap on that to access your account preferences. Next, scroll through the options and tap on Notifications. This section controls what alerts you receive from accounts and activity on X. Within Notifications, look for Filters, and then tap on Muted Notifications. Here you'll see different filters controlling which notifications are currently muted. Find the option labeled Who have a default profile photo. If you see a checkmark next to this, it means notifications from accounts with default profile photos are currently muted. To unmute them, simply tap to uncheck this option. This change will allow notifications from those accounts to come through again, so you won't miss any updates, even from new or anonymous users. That's it. By following these simple steps, you've adjusted your notification settings to include accounts with default profile photos. This gives you a broader view of activity and helps you stay connected to more conversations on X. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you want to mute or unmute these notifications in the future. Now you're all set to enjoy a fuller and more customized X experience. Thanks for watching.